Welcome back. The Youth Congress has demanded immediate resignation of Labour Minister Jan14 for failing to form the Construction Labour Board as per the order of the Supreme Court. Youth Congress says if the board was formed, the deceased labourers would have got their due rights.
Everybody मिळना तिंगा जायत बायलां आसली म्हणून आयकूं आमी दोड्यान चलना पूण आयकूं येता ती सांगता ती गांवांतलो गोंयकार जावं आनी खंयचे जावं तिंगे बॉडी तरी काडपाक हांव मागत सीएमा कडेन बॉडी तरी काडून दी त्या पासून हांव मागता सीएमा कडेन जे पर्यंत तूं ती 12 मिटींग करपाक तूं आख्खे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन भोंवता तूं थिंग मातशें भोंवन तें हें करून दी मरे क्लियर करून दी हें कोना जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता काणकोणचो लोक खूब दुखी जातलो काणकोणचो लोक न्हू आख्या गोंयचो लोक दुखी जातलो.
To the Labour Minister, straight to the Labour Minister, because last year in 2013, Supreme Court passed an order on specially Goa Labour Minister. With other states, but stricture was put that within 2 months he has to form a construction labour committee, a board, where all the compensation, sanitation, rehabilitation, all this comes into the board. If any accident happens, then quick relief is given under this board. आज देखो त्यांनी सेटअप केला ना CAG ऑडिट आलो तेजे तेको आजून देखो ती कमिटी फॉर्म करू जालना. We demand he should resign if we cannot follow the guidelines of the Supreme Court under Labour Department. So he is not fit to be a Labour Minister. So this is the immediate demand from Youth Congress. He has to also tell us how many labourers are working in Goa, migrant labourers as well as Goan labourers on construction sites. And are these labourers having cards? Are they under the purview of insurance if any issues happen like this? So this is a very immediate demand from us.
Tourists visiting Goa are going back with a bad impression of the state, all due to the parking mafia operating in coastal areas of Kalangut and Baga. Human rights organization has lodged a complaint at Kalangut police station to investigate and identify people involved in the mafia gang. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said strict action will be initiated against the notorious gang. Prudent had highlighted how tourists were looted and assaulted by parking mafia, all under the nose of the state police.
आम्ही each and every authority मागता की बेग्याच्या बेग्यान तेचेर स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन जावची आणि जी टुरिस्टांक पळय मार बोट जाता ती बंद जावची ना जाल्यार ज्या पद्दतीन मायनिंग बंद जाला तशें गोंयचो टुरिस्ट बंद जावपाक टायम लागचो ना.
But we have come across certain receipts which are showing 300 to 400 rupees. On every receipt there is a difference. The contractor Mr. Paresh S. Bandekar, so his man, if when a vehicle comes, they charge this, ask for this 400, 500 rupees, whatever XYZ amount. If the tourists deny, they try to drag these people out of the vehicle and assault them. At the same time, they start firing bad words with the intention to at least to get this people pay on the last
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has warned the agency that strict action will be initiated.
I have warned the collector, especially at Baga. I have phoned him telephonically and told him, and also at Kalangut, I want to tell him that do not overcharge. Tumi jo itlo expensive tender getla, you cannot burden the tourist. The tourists are coming, they are going to be there for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Charge them nominal, whatever is written on the signboard. And if such type of activities continue, we cannot cheat the tourist. Tourist will get bugged, he will not come back to Goa.
Prudent is in possession of a video clipping where parking mafia was captured overcharging tourists with parking fees. They even assaulted the tourists for not paying extra money. It was also seen that police were mere spectators when tourists were assaulted. Chetan Gavas for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.